Hey, what's up guys? So I've got Huawei Band 6 here and it's time to unbox this fitness tracker. Now there are quite a lot of interesting features in this band. So let's take a look at them first. There is an all-day SpO2 monitoring, 1.47-inch full-view AMOLED display, which is 148% larger than the previous model. It has a 64% screen-to-body ratio, 194 by 368 screen resolution, and pixel density of 282, making it really crisp. All-day heart rate monitoring is also present, as well as sleep tracking. Huawei also claims 2 weeks of battery life on this band, and there is fast charging on board, where you can get 2 days of use in just 5 minutes of charging. It can track 96 workout modes and boasts 5 ATM water resistance. Inside the box, you see a Huawei Band 6 up front, a charging puck that attaches magnetically and provides a strong connection which can be shaken easily. And finally, some paperwork. The band itself is lightweight, coming in at just 18 grams. And also, it is not as big as it seems in some photos and videos that I've seen online. There is only one button on the right, which also functions as a power button. There are no holes for microphone or speaker grills since there is none on this band, and sensors at the back. The straps are made up of silicone and feels comfortable. Now when it comes to connecting the band with the Huawei Health app, the process is such a breeze. It takes merely seconds to connect and then you're good to go. So now we are inside the Huawei Health app and the Huawei Band. And here, let's take a look at the band now and some of its features. So if we swipe down, we go to our quick controls. So here we have our do not disturb mode, then we have screen on for 5 minutes. So this is how you can find your phone. So that was weird. Anyways, here you can add alarms quickly, and then finally you have the last option to go in settings. If you swipe to the right, you have your widgets. So for the first one is the health widget, then we have music controls, have weather, stress, heart rate, and back to the watch face. And if we go the other way, it's the same thing. And this button is the back button. Obviously, if you swipe up, you have your messages or perhaps notifications. If we long press on it, you can then also change the watch face, which I find really interesting and useful, and it's actually really easy to do. Because of the larger display, you have more real estate to play around with, and it feels more like a watch or a fitness watch rather than a fitness tracker because of this larger beautiful display. And if we press this button, it takes us to our apps. So here we have few apps that we can go through: settings, find phone, torch, alarm, timer, stopwatch, weather, notifications, music controls, breathing exercises, stress, sleep, activity records, SpO2 sensor, heart rate, workout records, and workout. So we have got quite a few apps, and then we can press this button to go back again. And now I want to talk about 5 features that stand out immediately after unboxing Huawei Band 6. And the first one is obviously this 1.47 inches beautiful AMOLED display. It's crisp, it is clear, and it is really bright. I love this display already. And the information is easy to read, text is big, easy on the eyes, you don't have to strain your eyes at all, and information is very logically laid out. The next thing that stands out is that the band is not too big. The overall size of the band is not too big. In photos and in videos that I've been watching of this band, it looked really big and bulky, but the overall size is not too big. It's obviously larger than some other fitness trackers, but not so much. So if I compare it with something like Mi Band 6, you can see that the width is definitely more here on Huawei Band 6. And then I have got Samsung Galaxy Fit 2 here as well, so you can see that these two are very comparable as well. Another thing that I've noticed here is that the bands are not swappable, so this is not present in a body that you can swap. So these bands, I've tried swapping them out, but I've not been able to do that. I guess they are fixed. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right or wrong, or it needs to happen some other way. It seems like there is a latch here, but I don't know how this works. So if this works, this is a very bad and pathetic way to implement it, to be honest, because it's not really easy to swap them. I don't think they're swappable. So you are stuck with what you get on this band. And the band itself is not, something out of this world. It's a basic silicone band. It's easy on the wrist though. Next thing about this band that I've noticed is how quickly it connected with the Huawei Health app on my phone, And that is not the case with many other fitness trackers, whether it's Xiaomi Band 6 or even Samsung Galaxy Fit 2. All of them take a little bit of time, but the connection on Huawei Band 6 with the Huawei Health app on my phone was instant, does not take a lot of time. And then finally, the last thing that I've noticed here is that if you go in the Huawei Health app on your phone, if you go in these premium watch faces, you have paid watch faces here that you can download. And when I go in to download one of these watch faces, let's say this one, and I tap on this button, nothing happens. So that is a little bit weird. I'm not sure what's happening here. It should be able to let me download this band via Google Play Store, but that's not happening. And if I tap this favorite button, it tells me to install something here. So I'm not sure if I want to get through all this just to download a watch face that's paid. So that's about it from this video, guys. This was the unboxing of Huawei Band 6 and 5 features that stood out immediately after the unboxing. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this band, let me know in the comments, or you can also catch me up on Twitter and Instagram. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.